In this video, you'll learn how to add smileys and emojis on Gmail in just a few minutes, so you can make your emails more fun, expressive, and personal. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign in to your Google account, and once you're inside your inbox, click the Compose button to start a new email or open an existing draft you want to edit. Next, click inside the email body where you want to add your emoji. Then look at the bottom toolbar of the Compose window, where you'll find a small smiley face icon. This is your gateway to all the emojis you need. Now, click the smiley icon to open the emoji picker. Gmail offers a huge selection of emojis organized by categories like smileys, animals, food, travel, and symbols, so you can quickly find the perfect one for your message. After that, simply click any emoji to add it instantly to your email. You can use the search bar at the top of the picker to find specific emojis quickly, or browse by category if you want to explore your options. Once your emojis are added, you can also use keyboard shortcuts on Windows by pressing Windows key plus period, or on Mac by pressing Control, Command, and Space to open the system emoji panel. And that's it. Your Gmail emails are now full of personality with smileys and emojis that make every message more engaging.